Lean manufacturing concept. Lean manufacturing is a systematic method for the elimination of waste within the manufacturing system. Lean manufacturing principles are also referred to as lean management or lean thinking. Most of the modern industries follows lean principles and effectively implement it to reduce waste and improve the process. Let us discuss lean manufacturing principles. Elimination of wastage. There are total 7 wastes of lean. They are overproduction, making more than requirement or making earlier than requirement, waste of unnecessary motion, needless movement of people, waste of inventory, more materials in stock than current requirement, production of defects, any aspect of service that doesn't conform to the customer needs, waste of waiting, delay between one process to another, waste of transportation, movement of work between areas which doesn't add any value to the work, waste of overprocessing, adding more value to the work than customer wants. Idea of waste elimination is to review all areas in the organization, determine where the non-value added service is and eliminate it. Continuous improvement. A strategy where employees work together proactively to achieve regular incremental improvements in the manufacturing process. Continuous improvement promotes constant necessary change toward achievement of desired state. The changes can be big or small but must lend itself toward improvement. It is also called as Kaizen, a Japanese business philosophy of continuous improvement of working practices. Let us discuss about 5S methodology. 5S is the name of a workplace organization method, describes how to organize a workspace for efficiency and effectiveness by identifying and sorting the items used, maintaining the area and items, and sustaining the new order. It includes total 5 methodologies: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. Here, sort means eliminate that which is not needed. Set in order means organize the remaining items. Shine means clean and inspect work area. Standardize means write standards for the above. Sustain means regularly apply the standards. Let us learn about Kanban or pull system. It is a method of regulating the flow of goods both within the factory and with outside suppliers and customers, based on automatic replenishment through signal cards that indicate when more goods are needed. It is an inventory control system to control the supply chain. KPIs or key performance indicators, metrics designed to track and encourage progress towards critical goals of the organization. These are generally implemented to different departments of manufacturing industry. Overall Equipment Effectiveness (OEE), framework for measuring productivity loss for a given manufacturing process. 3 categories of loss are availability, example downtime; performance, example slow cycles; quality, example rejects. PokaYoke or error proofing. PokaYoke is a Japanese term and a lean manufacturing process that helps an equipment or operator to avoid mistakes. Its purpose is to eliminate product defects by preventing, correcting, or drawing attention to human errors as they occur. This is an example for PokaYoke. What is meant by root cause analysis? Root cause analysis is a problem-solving methodology that focuses on resolving the underlying problem instead of applying quick solutions that only treat immediate symptoms of the problem. Helps truly eliminate the problem by applying corrective action to the root cause of the problem. Single minute exchange of dies. As the name suggests, the method by which equipment can be changed from one product to the next in the most efficient way and the shortest possible time. It reduces the setup or changeover time by using following techniques. Convert setup steps to be external, performed while process is running. Simplify internal setup, example replace the bolts with the knobs and levers. Eliminate non-essential operations. Create standardized work instructions. Just-in-time production. pull parts through production based on customer demand instead of pushing parts through production based on projected demand. It is a production model in which items are created to meet demand, not created in surplus or in advance of need. The purpose of just-in-time production is to avoid waste associated with overproduction, waiting and excess inventory. Quality built-in. In this principle, quality is built into the design of the part, manufacturing process and packaging. Throughout all areas of the product, from design to shipping, quality is a major consideration. Automation with a human touch falls within this principle. Machines that can detect defects and stop production are excellent example of this principle. Total productive maintenance. An approach to maintenance that focuses on proactive and preventive maintenance to maximize the operational time of equipment. TPM eliminates the distinction between maintenance and production by placing a strong emphasis on empowering operators to help maintain their equipment. Value stream mapping. A tool used to visually map the flow of production shows the current and future state of processes in a way that highlights opportunities for improvement.